Every single time I pull one of my cars into this garage, I can't help but think it deserves better. The cars are exactly how I want them, but the garage not so much. I gave myself a challenge. Can I completely transform this garage for less than $200? Today isn't the full makeover, but today is where it starts. This is stage one of redoing my garage. The paint is messed up everywhere, the floors are completely cooked, the ceiling is falling apart, paint is peeling, nothing matches in here anymore. Maybe it did at one point. I am redoing my basement right now, but I figured before I start painting my basement and doing all this stuff inside my house, I should try to repaint and redo the garage to try to get used to that, and try to get used to painting. I've never painted anything before in my life, so I figured starting here, why not? So I have a pretty small budget. I want to keep this very under budget because I also want to make it into a good video where I can show what you can do and really redo a room and redo a whole garage and make it look fresh and brand new at a very low cost. I'm big on spending less money than I need to on things. That's why I try to do a lot of stuff myself. First stop of the day is Home Depot. No fun car today. We take the Volkswagen Atlas today. We got some stuff. I didn't get the actual paint color, but I did get samples. So it's my first time painting, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be buying, but it seems like this is everything that I should need. So this is all this stuff, $103. So my goal is if I can get all this done and redo my garage for $200 or less, I'll be happy. We're at $100 and that's with all the supplies, except for actually purchasing the paint. I bought the samples today so I can paint them on the wall and see what I like. I'm back at the house now. My thought is to do that wall first because that wall has less holes and less damage, and this wall has a lot more of my stuff and more holes and more damage. So I figure I'll start with that wall, at least be able to clean it, take everything off that wall. We're gonna move the Boxster here, leave the Cayman outside, which I know might sound insane, but that's a convertible, and that runs the risk of leaking where this does not, and I'm not one of those weirdos who my car doesn't never touch rain. Everyone to keep in mind, I've never painted anything in my life, but now I think it's time for spackling, I'm pretty sure. I scraped all like the peeling paint and stuff off the wall, and then I brushed off the whole wall, cleaned off the wall a little bit. So now I guess I can go through all little holes. So it seems like that was kind of the boring part. This should actually be kind of satisfying because you're actually seeing visually something be fixed. You can barely see it, but there's a little hole here, so I think I'm supposed to just kind of go like that, and go like that. Kind of fill in the hole. I don't really know. It's not gonna look perfect, I know that. I really just want the garage to look better on camera when I'm filming in here because I film so much in here. It's actually kind of fun doing this. I've never done it before, so I'm having a pretty good time. So here's how everything is coming out. It's still drying, a lot of it. But, oh, I got some excess on the wall over there. It's all right. I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is I just put something on the wall and it goes by the name of Sydney Harbor. Do the work yourself. It's so much more satisfying. You take so much more pride in your home. I think that's important. And also, for what it's worth, that way you know everything works. So if something breaks in your house and your wife, your fiance, your girlfriend is like, oh my God, this is broken. You know how to fix it. And then you're the man. So these are the 3 paint options. So unlike when I did the basement, I actually painted them on the wall. So it's just one coat, but that's Dolphin Blue. Sydney Harbor. Mind you, all this doesn't look that good. I just kind of threw it on the wall and see what it would look like. I'm gonna redo it anyway. And Blue Echo. So, not really sure. Keep in mind, those are the cars that are gonna be in here, so I think a blue theme would be pretty cool. All right, so looking at them, I'm gonna put a second coat on, but I think I'm leaning towards the darker blue because it's gonna be kind of darker floors, darker blue. That way it'll accent well with the blue cars as well, and the orange bike and the black bike, doesn't really matter. But that's kind of where we're ending today's video because I do have to go help my friend pick up a new motorcycle. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope these little vlog, weird project videos do good. I don't really care if they do or they don't. I just enjoy making them. But as always, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching it. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you later. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Bye-bye.